Chinese anyway, we out. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married a shooter case you niggas tried to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the AB, 700 on the horses when we fixin' to leave. But I don't fuck with horses since Christopher Reeves. Gotta be careful when I drip, it's flips all in the whip. It's waters with 30 clips, FNs with the switch. Guacamole with the taco, waiting on El Chapo. Came in the road and left no one in the road. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one nigga, shot-da-da. She my little vibe, my little bad guy that run from the body like rude boy, want me touching on his body like boy, I'll be dead if he ever diss me. What to do if he ever miss me? Miss me with the na-na-na-na-na-na-na. I stay with my na-na-na-na-na-na-na. His ex hitting me like na-na-na-na-na-na-na. He want the bug that sleeves like that, while I'ma tease like that. Ew, na-na-na-na-na-na-na. He tell me bring him that na-na-na-na-na-na-na. We don't be caring like that, na-na-na-na-na-na. I like it when you grab my cheeks like that, while I'm a freak like that. Da-da-da. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one nigga, shot-da-da. She my little vibe, my little bad girl that run from the body like rude boy, want me touching on his body like boy, I'll be dead if he ever diss me. What to do if he ever miss me? Cleanly, bitches wanna come out like a cockroach until I'm cooking in the kitchen like a pot roast. That new Spectre, we don't fill potholes. Dorito bitches mad that they nachos. Shout out my vatos, shout out the hoes that's watching me like my vatos. Click, all them backspace autos. Why would you post those? Make I got lucky since I heard you like my ghost horse. Big truck, but I'm alone like Posto. Call Malone and tell him I'm going posto. These bitches rapping like my blooper roll. Desert Eagle if your nigga acting Super Bowl. Got him like, uh-oh. Gun fingers like niggas doing the go-go. You fucking bozo. That 40 cal make him dance like a go-go. Super fat, that's worth the super cat. Where I rode, y'all. You done when I take my bitches couldn't walk in my clock. That's worth the Dundee. Must have been your airheads, they Kelly Bundy. Many bitches so slow, man, they slow to sloth. 600 horse, how you gon' catch the boss? Put them with their hands out, trying to catch the sauce. We have a Mugler flow, trying to cut the cloth. See the differences, I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is. Or did I know that my niggas kill witnesses? But girl, don't da-da-da.